Hi, guys. That baby was found deceased in a room here at Motel 75, which sits right along the interstate. At this point, no one has been charged in the case. Therefore, we are not identifying the mother or anyone else who could potentially be involved. Warren County Prosecutor David Fornshell would not comment on this case, but confirmed to me today it is an active investigation. A disturbing discovery inside room 127 at Motel 75 in Monroe. According to court documents obtained exclusively by WLWT, a baby approximately at 30 weeks of development was located in a trash can. Monroe police found the dead baby October 9th after a 30-year-old woman reportedly called 911 and reported a miscarriage. The patient claimed she passed tissue, not a fetus or child, at approximately 2 a.m. the night before and flushed it down the toilet, court documents state. They go on to say the patient claimed she contacted a miscarriage hotline who advised her on how to tie the cord and cut it to prevent bleeding. After investigators consulted with her doctor, the doctor, quote, advised that a child at 30 weeks would be incapable of being flushed down a toilet and said medically the cord would have been attached to a baby that could not have been mistaken as just tissue. That's when police executed a search warrant and found the fetus in the trash. Investigators wrote in the documents that the mother told them she was only 8 weeks pregnant. Upon further investigation, police said they discovered a joint reservation at the motel, rooms 214 and 127. A search of both rooms resulted in police seizing a laundry list of items, including glass pipes, pills, syringes, marijuana pipes, narcotics, soiled towels, and a deceased female, the baby. The Warren County coroner's investigator told me today they have not yet determined how the baby died or if she was stillborn. And again, this investigation began 4 months ago. Investigators have not talked about this publicly, and tonight they remain tight-lipped. I did speak with the manager of the motel today. He says after the entire incident, the mother and everyone else involved with those 2 rooms left and have not been back. Reporting live tonight in Monroe, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.